So if you're like us with a small kitchen, because we live in our RV, or you live in a small apartment and you need some place to hang your paper towels, this paper towel holder is actually a great find. My wife found it. I told her the stipulations were we weren't looking for something that we had to drill into the cabinet. Now this one is capable of being drilled. There are 2 screw holes and it does come with those parts, but it also comes with self-adhesive double-sided tape. And that's all we've used under here. It works great. It looks fabulous. It took about 5 seconds to install. We've driven all over the country with it and it is yet to come down. The color black that it is a matte black, so it works well with the cabinet handles that we have and the pulls that we have. And as you can see, no issues with pulling paper towels off. So would we buy this paper towel holder again if we replaced our RV? Yeah, absolutely. It's the perfect item for under the cabinet. Works great, frees up the limited counter space that we have, and it looks good and matches the decor. I hope you found this review helpful and enjoy your shopping day, Amazon.